Hey, thanks a lot for checking out QuickTools SyncPasses. Okay, so with this tool, if we go to compositing, turn use nodes on. Okay, say we have a render and we want to render out a bunch of passes, right? We'll just turn a bunch of stuff on indiscriminately. Okay, now that we've set all of our passes, let's set the file output. Put it over here. We'll accept that, and that'll be where the file saves to. And previously, you would have to create a file output and create an input per pass that you wanted to save out, right? This would take forever. With SyncPasses, just be in the Compositor tab, go to SyncPasses. Let's open this up a little bit. So node name, this will be the new node name. We'll call it PNG out. And we'll just also call these, we'll just say PNG out. For the file prefix and file type will be PNG auto sync output, just in case we do it differently. SyncPasses. There we go. You can clearly see that everything has been mapped. Let's go to the node. Yep, everything has been mapped. So if you disconnected a bunch of your inputs and just want to reapply them, you can go here, reconnect node passes inputs. There you go. Yeah, sometimes this messes up. On the last one, just reapply that. And also, if you wanted to update some stuff, so you didn't want the file prefix to be PNG out anymore, you can be, we'll say like previs, refresh node. There we go. You don't even have to hit refresh node. You could actually just hit SyncPasses. So we'll say new viz. There you go. Syncs. Even works with your output. We'll change output to new out. Sync output path. There we go. And say we wanted to make a new one. We'll say EXR multi. Call this for comp. Multi-layer EXR, SyncPasses. There we go. We have a new one. And that's QuickTools SyncPasses. Thanks a lot.